اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا.
Witness the peaceful beauty of Salat al-Maghrib in the holy city of Madinah Al-Munawwarah, performed in Jama'ah at the tranquil Imam Bukhari Mosque. As the sun sets and the call to prayer echoes through the blessed streets, feel the spirit of unity and devotion rise. Location: Imam Bukhari Mosque, Al-Madinah Kaaba prayer, Salatul, evening prayer, palms up together experience. Calmness, faith, and community under the Madinah skies. Movie camera capturing the soul of Islamic tradition, this video brings you a moment of serenity and connection from the city of the Prophet. Subscribe to our channel for more spiritual journeys and Islamic heritage across the Muslim world. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment, link, share with others who love Madinah. As the sun begins to set behind the golden skyline of Madinah Al-Munawwarah, a sacred hush settles upon the city. It is time for Salat al-Maghrib, the prayer of dusk, when the light of day meets the tranquility of night. At the heart of this moment stands Masjid Imam Bukhari, a mosque named after the great Hadith scholar who preserved the sayings of our beloved Prophet. Here, the faithful gather in unity, hearts aligned, facing the Qibla. From all walks of life, men and women prepare, performing wudu, cleansing the body, purifying the soul. As the Imam stands in front, a silence settles. Rows form in perfect harmony, shoulder to shoulder, no difference, no distance. With one phrase, Allahu Akbar, time stops. The world outside fades, and the worshippers enter into divine presence. Each movement in prayer is a surrender. Each verse of Quran recited echoes in the hearts of those present. And as the prayer ends, peace flows. Smiles are exchanged, hearts feel lighter, and the soul is reconnected to its creator. This is Al-Madinah, this is Salat al-Maghrib, a city of light, a prayer of calm, and a reminder that even as the sun sets, the light of faith only grows brighter. Maghrib prayer in Madinah, Imam Bukhari Mosque Jama'ah, a spiritual sunset mosque. Experience the serene beauty of Maghrib prayer in Al-Madinah, filmed at the tranquil Imam Bukhari Mosque. Watch as the city unites in Jama'ah, immersed in the calm of dusk and the warmth of divine connection. In the blessed city of Al-Madinah, time follows a different rhythm. A rhythm of devotion, remembrance, and divine connection. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city glows softly, bathed in the golden light of Maghrib. From the minaret of Imam Bukhari Mosque, the Adhan rises, a sacred invitation. Hayya Allah al-Salah, Hayya Allah al-Falah. Thanks for watch.